Hi there, welcome back. It's a beautiful fall evening, so let's take a walk around the neighborhood and see what trees and plants we can find. Let's go. The maple tree is Canada's national tree. There are many varieties of the maple tree. This includes the red maple and the yellow maple tree. Maple syrup is a syrup made from the sap of maple trees. The maple leaf has been used as a Canadian emblem. You will find it on the Canadian flag and on the shirt of sports teams like the Toronto Maple Leafs. The spruce tree is by far the most common tree found in Canada. Spruce trees tend to have evergreen needles and cones. There are many different types of spruce trees. This is a blue spruce tree. The next tree on our list is the white birch or